Priya. And my name is Adia. And my name is Ming. Welcome to Bake It Yourself Kitchen Edition! For our first video, we wish that you join us because today we are gonna make Bake It Yourself cookies! For our ingredients, we have flour and baking powder. We have oatmeal, sugar, and butter. And then we have some nuts and chocolate chips and a pinch of salt. So let us preheat the oven to 170 degrees. So let's get mixing! On a bowl, let's put in the butter.
Aliyah, you don't need to get the butter there and then put it on there. You keep on putting.
You have butter in your thumb. And the sugar.
La 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 la. Ooh, yummy. Yummy.
And the eggs, one at a time.
I'm scared. Super scared.
Just break it.
Just make it vomit. Make it vomit.
What are you doing? And then the other one. Priya is like fireworks. Where do you put the eggs?
On
In the trash.
On the white thing.
There, the white one.
Can I try it? I never tried before.
We will continue mixing it until it turns fluffy. No, the jack is here.
Until it looks fluffy, not sounds like fluffy.
And we will set this aside. And now we will combine our dry ingredients. Flour and the baking powder. Oatmeal. Pour it. Pour it! No! And then we're gonna put some nuts and chocolate chips.
Ew!
And 3 pinches of salt. And now we're gonna give it a good mix.
Okay, so this is so
Kinda gross and it's very ouchy.
the oats is ouchy for my soul,
Ah.
but I think the fun is
Sorry.
Aliyah!
I'm sorry.
I have like so many hands.
There's like 100 hands of bread bunny. It's a tower! iPhone tower.
Humala.
And now we're gonna form a well in the center. And then we're gonna pour the wet ingredients to the dry ingredients.
It's gonna be a dough. It's gonna be a dough.
It's like a donut. And then we're gonna mix it! Whole.
Ew.
Help me! It's just so soft. And then we're gonna divide it by 3. And then we're gonna shake it.
What are you making? I'm gonna make a sushi.
I'm just making like the normal cookies.
too. I'm making normal cookies.
What a shoe!
A shoe! I'm making a shoe cookie.
First like this, then I'm gonna make a
What? With the bumblebee.
This is for
This is-
Jackie Mia. It will take forever, but who cares? There! No, I want to make more.
What are we gonna make tomorrow? Or maybe
Today I'm gonna make Mr.
tomorrow
Mama
year.
Tomorrow I'm gonna make
What are we gonna make next year?
Tomorrow I'm gonna make Mr.
Yeah!
Mama. Tomorrow I'm gonna make Mr. Mama.
I don't know.
My dad will have like my mom and dad will have only one. May have all.
Oh, you're savage!
Hula hula. Hula la. And we're gonna bake it! Oh! The cookies are rising! I'm so happy. Woohoo! Yeah! Number 6, so it's almost done. We need like 5 more! 4 more! 4 more! Uh-huh! Oh yeah! We did it! We did it! Uh-huh! Oh yeah! It's 1 minute left! 9, 8, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1! Now for the hardest part, we should wait the cookies to cool down. And now let's play with it! Thank you for watching. You can visit Riando's Zap. Visit Alias World. And visit Hannah Aries Arts. Hope you like it. Subscribe and like. Subscribe and like it. Guys, look! Mine is... Okay. I'm gonna make mine like a flower. And now for the best part and the delicious part, eating the cookies! We're gonna eat the big one. I'm gonna give to all of you. Like the cookies, this one's so good. 5 stars for this restaurant. I'm just gonna have like 59 stars for this. I'm gonna have 10 stars.
Okay, so thank you very much for staying with us until the end of the video. I hope you give this recipe a try. They are real cookies. They are really good, right?
Yes!
They are really good cookies, right?
This is best!
Okay, for our written recipe, please visit gobakeityourself.blogspot.com. And when you do, please let us know on the comment section below, or you can send us a photo on our Facebook and Instagram account. And for more Bake It Yourself Kids Edition videos, please don't forget to
Like, share, subscribe.
at pakiclick na rin yung bell button para updated kayo sa mga baking tutorials namin!